Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done about the integrated rate expression for zero order and first order reaction and their half-life period. Today we will do numericals related to that topic. First numerical is the initial concentration of N2O5 in the following reaction is, this reaction is first order reaction. N2O5 gives 2NO2 plus half O2. Initial concentration was 1.24 into 10 to the power minus 2 at 318 Kelvin. The concentration of N2O5 after 60 minutes was 0.20 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter. We have to find out K, calculate the rate constant. You know K for first order reaction, we have derived this formula. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log R1 upon R2. T2 minus T1 means 60 minutes because the time duration was 60 minutes. Log R1 upon R2. Earlier the concentration was 1.24 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then the concentration was 0.20 into 10 to the power minus 2. So by solving this we get 0.0304 per minute. This is the value of rate constant for this reaction. Next is a first order reaction is found to have a rate constant K is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 per second. Calculate half-life period. You know half-life period for first order reaction. The formula is T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. Here K is given, so we can find out the value of half-life period by putting the value of K. So we get T half is equal to 1.26 into 10 to the power 13 second. If you don't know this reaction is first order, you can see here the units are per second, means the reaction is first order reaction. Next, we have to show that in a first order reaction, time required for completion of 99.9% is 10 times of half-life of the reaction. This is first order reaction. So we will find out the time. K is equal to 2.303 log upon T log R0 upon R. Here R is equal to 99.9% of R0. So 99.9% of R0 means 0.999 R0. So R is equal to R0 minus 0.999 R0. Putting the value of R in equation number 1, we get R0 minus 0.999 R0 is equal to 0.001 R0. So K is equal to 2.303 upon T log R0 upon 0.001 R0. So on calculating we get T 99.9% per equal to 2.303 divided by K log 1000. 1 upon 0.001 will be 1000. 1000 means 10 to the power 3. So by the property of log, power will comes forward. 2.303 into 3 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So we will get 2.303 into 3 divided by K. It will be T is equal to 6.909 upon K. This will be equation number 2. So T half, if we write the formula for T half, it will be 0.693 upon K. So on dividing 2 by 3, T divided by T half is equal to 6.909 upon K into K divided by 0.693, it will be 10. So we have shown that T is equal to 10 times the half-life period. Next, a very important topic, that is pseudo first order reaction. As the name suggests, pseudo means false, anything which is false. Pseudo first order reaction. Chemical reactions which appear to be of higher order but actually are of lower order are called pseudo order reaction. In case of pseudo first order reaction, chemical reaction between two substances takes place, means their reactants are two, but rate only depend on the one reactant, means one of the reactant is present in excess. This is the condition of pseudo first order reaction. I am repeating again that pseudo first order reaction is that reaction which appears to be of higher order but they are of lower order. Like in first order reaction we have two reactants but rate depends only on the one because other reactant is present in excess. Let us consider example hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. Here water is present in excess. So rate will depend on only the concentration of ethyl acetate. So it behaves as first order reaction. Next is inversion of cane sugar. C12H22O11 plus water. Here also water is present in excess, so rate will be only depending on the concentration of cane sugar. So this appears to be of higher order, but this is of first order. The reaction which appears to be of higher order, but this is of first order because here water is present in excess. So these are pseudo first order reactions. Next is effect of catalyst. We have studied about effect of factors affecting the rate of reaction. I told you that we will explain it later. Now first factor is effect of catalyst. A catalyst which increases the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent change is known as catalyst. Like in this reaction, 2KClO3 gives 2KCl plus 3O2, we have MnO2. MnO2 here increases the rate of reaction. We have inhibitor also. Inhibitors are the substances which are added to reduce the rate of reaction. Now the reason comes why the catalyst increases the rate of reaction. We have a theory, intermediate complex theory. According to this theory, a catalyst participates in a chemical reaction by forming temporary bonds with the reactant, resulting in an intermediate complex. Means catalyst forms the temporary bond with reactant, that substance formed is known as intermediate complex. It has a short time period, and that intermediate complex has a short time period and decomposes to form product, and again the catalyst comes back in the reaction. Catalyst, what the catalyst do? The catalyst provides an alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by reducing the activation energy between the reactant and products, hence lowering the potential energy barrier. Here I have a graph why the reaction rate increases. This is the reactant and product. Energy of reactant is more than energy of product. Why? If energy lowers, then only the stable products will be formed. You can see this is without catalyst and this is with catalyst. Potential energy barrier is less. So when we have catalyst, the energy barrier is less, more the number of particles can pass through this barrier. So lower the activation energy, faster will be the reaction. Catalyst provides an alternate, this is without catalyst and this is with catalyst. Catalyst provides an alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by reducing the activation energy. Catalyst reduces the activation energy. What is activation energy? The energy required for effective collisions. In the next lecture, we will study about effect of temperature, why the rate increases after increasing the temperature.